Anytime and every time you see market play out the way you plan it, it will look as if you are lucky, but rather you are not lucky. What happened that makes your trade go the way it went is because you plan it well. Planning and understanding the market put you in the right position to profit out of the market. So it's not about rocket science, it's not so difficult, but you must know what you're doing. And it's not by luck. Planning, strategizing, and waiting, coupled with patience, give good result in the market. Today, I'm going to be showing you what we analyzed last week, and today it has come out profiting. So let's go. If you could remember last week, I was talking about Cadjpy. If you go back to the previous video, which I analyzed last week, I was talking about how I was talking about how Cadjpy is going to buy last week. If you go back to the previous video I did. So today, after like 5 days, the trade has played out the way we wanted. And the other one, which is BTC USD, we still dive into it right now. We'll see how that one is just moving slowly, but at least it's going. The first take profit has been hit. All right, so we'll still go back there, okay? Before we now talk about what is going to happen today. So let's go. Okay, BTC USD, and now you can see BTC USD, though it's somehow trying to manipulate a bit, but still it's still going up. You can see it's already going up again. All right, it took time. Unlike Cadjpy went up straight, but BTC USD took time, and now is the time for BTC USD to start going to. If already has taken, we have taken our first take profit. Now it's going to the second take profit. All right, so these are the things I analyzed in the market last week, and today it has played out, and some of it are playing out. Knowledge is very, very important in the market. There are some things you should know that helps you in your decision making. If you know those things, you will see that your journey in forex market will be so smooth. And again, this type of trading is called swing trading because it doesn't make you to be watching the trade all the time. All right, so conservative. So unlike scalping, I do scalping also. I do day trading. I do the three. All right, so I'm good at the three. So, but most ones that give you peace of mind is the swing trading because you don't have to be checking your chart all the time. You understand me? So if I possibly twice or 3 times or 4 times a day, just open your phone and see where it is now. Okay, so unlike scalping that you have to be checking every minute, every second. Okay, so that one is for that. So depends on the kind of trader you are. All right, so you look for where you fit. All right, so that's if you know you can't fit into scalping, that you like checking your trade all the time, or the kind of nature of your work is not permitting you to be checking your trade all the time, then you go for this type of trading, which is a swing trading. Okay, it helps a lot. But if you know you have the time for scrapping, okay, no problem. But the only thing is that, do you have the mind? Because scrapping give you kind of pressure. All right, so because you are checking the market 247, trying to see where it's going to go within second, within minute. All right, but this one give more peace of mind. All right, which is called swing trading. All right, so that's it. That for last week analysis. And again, I talk about gold. You know that what I talk about gold, if we look at it properly, it plays out. But you know we can't go back again because gold is I think it's the analysis I make on gold was not on 4 hours, it was on 50 minutes. So and it play out exactly the way I said. You can go back and watch last video before this one and see how I analyze gold in a short period. Okay, and it really plays out. Okay, so that is that. So today let me see, let's check the market. Let's see the one that we have an opportunity to buy or sell. See this trade, I did not talk about this trade. I did not talk about this Australian dollar JPY, but it's the same strategy. Break of trend line to see the market move up. Okay, and this one too plays out last week. I saw it, but it's just that I don't want to put too many trade on the market for people to not to be confused, So that's why I put only that to trade. Okay, so that's it. That this is another one. I don't usually do this because CPI is so crazy. Let's check another one. Let's see. Okay. See, this one does not play out. Okay, this is last week too. It doesn't play out, but I didn't talk about it. I only took the risk myself. Okay, I only took the risk and it stopped my out. So in market sometimes you have loss too. Okay, it's part of the game. Yeah, let's look for another pair. See, this one too plays out. Okay, this one too plays out. Okay, but this one is about 2 weeks ago, I think. Yeah, about 2 weeks ago. As the market break above this previous high, I enter buy. So it went and retest, then go back up and give me profits. Alright, so let's go for higher time frame. Let's see this GBPCAD. See what the higher time frame is talking about. Let's see, put our trend line and see the market is an uptrend. As you can see, it's an uptrend. It has come to touch the first touch, second touch, fourth touch. In this case, two things can happen here. Can expect two things to happen here. Since this is the fourth touch, the market can start breaking below and close here or here before it start going on. But this is daily. I don't place my trade on daily. So let's go to 4 hours. In 4 hours now, okay. I can't sell. I can't wait for the break of this support line. Okay, what I can do in this trade is to buy again because the market is still bullish. So, but what will make me to buy is at the low of trend line again. Okay, from this point to this second point and to this point. All right. So, or this point. Okay, this point to this point. Let's do it properly. To this point. Okay, so once it break here, I will not buy. The only time I'll buy is when it break this one. Okay, when it break this line. Okay, that's when I will buy. If I can see something like this, let me just draw it. Okay, market come up, break this previous high or touch this previous high, come below, retest, break the two highs, then come and break the two highs. Then when it break the two highs, then I can position myself to buy in the markets to target this area. Alright, so that's the only thing I can do. Alright, so but before I can do that, another thing I can do, if the market can, the way I just said it now, it came off to this side, did not break above, then come back to retest, then start going up from here. What I would do is that once it's breaking this previous high, it has formed a new high, then I will put another trend line here. Alright, from here one touch, then here, because there will be there will be another touch here because market came there and went down. So from here to the second touch, I'll put so once the market come to break this as in just like what I just explained that time, that excuse me, let me just show you again. Market came up, come to this area. Okay, came to this area, then because it couldn't break this previous high, it came down. All right, it came down. No, so sorry. Okay, excuse me. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. The market came from here, market came from here. I couldn't break this high. So because it couldn't break this high, so it touched this. It came reverse from here down. And when it reversed from here, it came and touched this trend line, the daily trend line, then move up. Then once I see it break this previous, once I see it break this one also, then break this two previous high, then and also break this trend line. Okay, once I see the break, two things I can do is that to wait for retest, maybe retest from here, then I'll buy, then start going up. Okay, then I'll target here. My target will be here. Okay, it will not be much, it will be here. Or if I'm aggressive, once the market has come to this area, once the market has once I see break and the candle break above, once I see break and the candle break above, what I will just do, I will just place my buy without retest. That's aggressive way of trading. Then I'll target this same area. Okay, then my stop loss will be somewhere around stop loss. So let's do it. I enter from here. That should be 101 or 101, 101 and a half or something. So my stop will be here. All right. Excuse me. My stop will be around here, 101. Okay. 1:1. Okay. So this is where my stop will be. All right. So that's it. But don't forget, only risk what you can lose. All right. Risk only what you can afford to lose. That's my advice for you, because this is 101. You don't risk too much on this kind of trade. Okay, risk little. So if you are to enter this trade, these are the probability of what could happen. So if the market refuses to do all these things, the next week will break down. But I didn't say you should sell, because me, I will not sell this, because it's not good for me. I can't sell because it's too low. Can't sell. I only sell when the market is up, and I buy when its market is down. So I buy low, I sell high. So I can't sell high. I can't sell low, because this is low. See, low, 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 and low. So I can't sell low. Okay, I only buy low. That's why I'm buying here. All right. So some aggressive trader will buy here and put their stop loss here, but I like to see a lot of confirmation before I buy. Okay, so that's that for me. So that's that for this week. No. So that is that for GBPCAD. All right. Is there any other currency we can look this week to see what we go on? Let's see. JPY, whatever is saying that it's already play out. This is not good enough for now. With what I'm seeing here, it's not good enough. No. You can see this one play out. See, this is what I'm talking about, using trend line. Okay, these are a lot of ways you can make money in the forex market. Trendline break. See here, see what happened. The market went and gave me what I want. Okay, this is about, I think, 3 weeks ago or so. So let's see. Okay, see this one, Euro USD. I did Euro USD last week too. 2 weeks ago. This is 2 weeks ago. So I think because of this psychology leg once, then I just closed the market at break even, because I discovered that this psychological leg may reverse, and this week, this rejection around here. So that's that. But it's still going up. I've not even touched my stop loss, but I'm already out of this market. All right, I'm already out. So for now, I'm not going in. Okay, not going in for now. But it's okay. It's good. It's a good trade, because if I want to go in, because it's not giving me the real trend and break, except I step down to like maybe 1 hour, I may see the trend line break, but it's too, that's gone. All right, I prefer 4 hours. I used to prefer 4 hours. Okay, so that's that. Then CHF JPY. No, it's no go area. You can see CHF JPY also play out USJPY. In this USJPY, it's in an uptrend right now. Okay, it's an uptrend, and the market can come here now. And it can come to this way, touch the trend line, and start going back up. Okay, but I'm not sure of this trade, because it's possible that instead of it to break back up, it will continue selling. There's probability of selling here. But if you want to sell, that what I can do is this. I don't know if the market will still go up a little bit before selling. So 2 or 3 things I do: put my trend line here. Okay, then I won't enter trend line break. No, I can enter. It's not that I cannot enter. I can enter, but it's too not clear. It's still not clear. So what I would do, I don't like this kind of trend line break. It's too short. Okay, it's not as wide as I want. Later I will teach you what I mean by it's too short. Anyway, right now, what I can do is to wait for this break, come back here. Hold on. I wait for this break, come back here, touch this trend line, come back up, retest, then break. So if I see break below here, once I see a break below here and the candle 4 hours candle close here, so the next thing I can do is this: place my my sell position right from here, put my stop here, previous high, all right, here, then target this level, target around here. Okay, that's my target for USDJPY if it's play out the way I said it. Okay, break this trend line, maybe it may move up a bit, come back, break this trend line, then come and retest, then go back up and break. So at the break of the trend line, close candle bullish, bearish, a close candle 4 hours bearish, then I place my sell, putting my target here and my stop. All right, so these are the things I'm looking for USDJPY in the market. So don't forget, today we have USDJPY. Today we have USDJPY. Today we have USD. Don't forget today we have USDJPY. Then we have what's it called? Then we have GBPCAD. So this is the analysis for GBPCAD, right? So, and for which currency again? Oh no, this one. Yeah, you see this one too. It's already playing out. I did this some few days ago. All right, that if it break the trend line, but it couldn't break the trend line here. It went back up, then later break it around here. Then see it's peaked already. Then it's time to go down. I don't really advise to enter this trade. It's too early. It's still good. You can enter, but to enter this trade, if you want to enter this trade, which is USD CAD, USD CAD, if the market can come back up, two things: market can come back up, touch this trend line, and refuse to break above and continue on a downtrend, break the previous low, then we can start selling from here and put our stop loss around here, then target here. All right, so that's for USD CAD. All right, so let's wait. So that's one. The second one is if it doesn't retest to sell, then if it break below this previous low, then the 4-hour candle close below here, you can enter sell. Okay, then sell, that's aggressive sell. Then put our stop loss after this high. All right, so that's another way we can use sell using a USD card to sell. Okay, so that's just it. So that's for that. Then let's see if there's another currency pair. Okay, GBPUSD. See GBPUSD. This GBPUSD is crazy. Yeah, is there any opportunity for it? Let's see our time frame. What's our time frame saying? I guess it's so choppy up. Yeah, Kai. I mean, there's gonna be a break very soon. There's gonna be a break because whenever the market is consolidating, they try to break. Is there a breakdown or break up? So that's what market can do. Yeah, because we are still in an uptrend. Alright, so here, even here the market has broken already to sell, but this weekly is too far. So let's say the market touch this week level. Okay, and let's step to on daily time frame. See what is happening on the daily time frame. You can see the market is on a support area. Okay, it's on a support area. This area. Okay, which can push the market back up, but we can't just say buy from there that way. Okay, can just buy. Market can still try to come down here before it start going up. So I say this within this range, anything within this range, can see what market will do within this range. Then another thing we can do now is let's step back to 4 hours time frame, see what 4 hours is doing. Okay, before 4 hours, let's go to daily. Let's see what daily we do. So with this daily, if we try to put trend line, let's see the trend line. Okay, this first touch, second touch. All right, so excuse me. So now so if the market can break this area above, we are good to buy. Okay, excuse me. So if the market can come here and break this trend line, we may be good to buy. Come back and retest, we may be good to buy from here, which is daily. But let's see a smaller time frame, 4 hours. See what 4 hours is saying. On 4 hours, see what 4 hours is saying. 1 hour is daily is too far. What is 4 hours saying? Right now, 4 hours is not ready. It's not ready at all. It's not giving us the real vibe of it's not giving us the real vibe of break of a trend line, except if we do something like this. This one, first touch, second touch. Okay, so in this case we need to be patient, just like I think is it not US, is it not GBPCAD? So let's see, because like the same, GBPCAD, and this is GBPUSD, so somehow the same movement. So let's wait for the break of this trend line. Maybe later come touch here, retest back down, then a break of this previous high and trend line. Then we position ourselves to buy aggressively. We position ourselves to buy aggressively, or wait for a retest here before buying up. First take profit, second take profit, possible third take profit. Okay, so that's what I say in GBPUSD for now. But before you do anything, make sure you see all this confirmation, break and retest, break and retest before you position yourself to buy. So in that case, we can buy here, can buy from here. Okay, put our stop loss here. Okay, below here. Okay, this last low. Then project to take the first profit here. First take profit here. Okay. And again, second take profits here. Second take profit here. I don't know if we target fourth one, but it's not guaranteed, but let's put it there in case. Okay, but I will first of all close my first and second, and then let the partial run, let me run the rest. I'll close partially for the second one, but the first one I'll close it full. The second one I'll close partially and let the profit run. Okay, so is the height which I will target, then okay. All right, so these are the things I hope for in the next market, in the next 2 weeks or 1 week or so. All right, so excuse me. Second. So these are the things I think could happen. Then that is that for GBPUSD. Okay, but make sure you wait for all this confirmation. Okay, break and retest, break the 4 hours trend line and retest, break the daily trend line and retest, then we can buy. Okay, and GDP can be so aggressive after breaking this, after coming to retest here, you can start jumping up, start going up from here. Okay, so it depends on the kind of candle I see. If I see a strong bullish candle around here, if I see a very strong bullish candle around here, I will just place aggressive buy, put my stop loss below, basically here, below here, and then put my stop loss below here, then buy it from here. But I will make sure that bullish engulfing candle breaks this trend line, then I can place my buy from here, then project all these targets. So that's for GBPUSD. Okay, so we should hope for a better week this week. All right, so don't forget, don't risk too much of your capital. Risk only what you can afford to lose, and don't borrow money to trade. All right, don't trade with what you cannot afford to lose. All right, and minimize your lots. Let your lots depends on your capital. Okay, so let's keep our finances. Let's keep our money. Let's not allow market to take our money. Let's be wise. Okay, in case the market did not go the way we plan it, we only lose a little. Okay, so that is that. So let's hope for all this. How many markets we have talked about today? The first one is so the first one. Okay, so the first one is GBPCAD, right? Which is just almost exactly like GBPUSD, all right? Then the next one is USDJPY. These two are for buy. GBPUSD and GBPCAD are for buy when it comes to where we plan. Then the other one is USDJPY is for sell when it comes to where we want. Okay, this thing may take time to play out, so don't forget, traders. All right, so all these things. So don't forget, all these things may take time to play out, so you have to be patient in the market. There's no need for rushing. Let's wait till you get to our area of interest. Okay, so here you can take a first profit from here, 101, then second take profit from here. Okay, let's bring it down a bit. I still get some, please. Why are we afraid? Okay, so the first take profit here. Let me do it very well. Okay. Okay, the first take profit here. Okay, on the support area, previous support. Then the second take profit here. Okay, so that's for USDJPY. That's for USDJPY. Okay. So these are the 4 pairs that we're going to look at. These are the 3 pairs we are going to look at in the market. But gold, I love trading gold. Gold is my favorite commodities that pays me a lot. But for now, gold is not really balanced. But let's just see it. Let's just look at it and see what it's doing. All right. Yeah. Yeah. So this is gold on a weekly time frame. You can see gold has been going up since about a few weeks ago. About a week ago now it starts selling. All right, so let's go to daily time frame. So on a daily time frame, you can see gold is still on uptrend, but you can see it's just going up. It's just going up. It's just going up. You can see. So it's not time to sell. Sell is risky now. So even if you want to do swing, sell is risky. Okay, but if it's scrapping or day trading, you can still make some sales in the market, but that will be a counter trend. All right, but the best time market will start selling is not now. It will sell very well. It's not really now. Okay, right? Because we just have this massive bearish candle. Doesn't mean it's time to sell. Okay, you have to wait for some confirmation before you start selling. And those are the things I'm going to talk about. Those are the things I'm going to talk about. And those are the things I'm going to talk about now. Okay, so now let's step down to 4 hours time frame. So on this 4 hours time frame, you can see the market has formed a MW on top here, double top. Okay, which indicates a reversal in the market, and we have break the previous low, which indicates another reversal in the market. But the only thing that is not making us to sell or think the market is reversing now is because of one thing, okay, which I will just show you right now. So let's come with our fib level from a swing high to swing low here. Very good. So now what will make us to sell in this market is when our bullish when what will make us to sell in this market is when we see you see where the market is right now. So it's very dangerous now, except we are scrapping. Well, I'm doing some scrapping around here anyway. That's me. Okay, I do that aside. But aside that, what I would do if I want to swing trade or day trade is to wait and wait for the candle to come and break this 38.2 or come to this I can't allow market to reverse from here and I'll say, oh, it's time for me to sell. It's dangerous because this first touch, the market come here. You can see the level is so powerful too. It came here, it reversed back, came here, it reversed back. You understand me? So there's so now we just allow the market to we allow the market to do what it wants to do. Okay, here we will have said if the market come and test this area, can start selling from here if you see any confirmation to sell. But possible, but there is probability the market can break this 38% retracement and start going up to this 50 and 60 because you can see first of all it came to touch the 38 point, it reversed back, came back again to touch it, it reversed back. So the third one it can break it, or probability it touched it and start going down again. Okay, so there's probably with that too. As some from trader maybe shopping from here to here, buy and sell, buy and sell, buy and sell, but it's risky except you know what you are doing. It's risky except you know what you are doing. You can be buying and selling from top and bottom, but it's another strategy, but it's risky. So but what we can do, the best way of trading now that will give you peace of mind, just be patient, wait for the break of this high 38%. Then this 50% is so powerful. Okay, when the market come here, market can come here and give us a confirmation that it's ready to sell, or wait till when it comes to this 6.8 61% retracement, or you can place your sell here. That means your stop loss will be high after 61% retracement. All right, so but if you are patient enough to take your entry from here, if you see a confirmation, your stop loss will be a little bit lower. All right, so either we take our entry from here or from here. So these two areas. So if I take my entry from here, from this 0.5% retracement, my stop loss will be here. If I take it from here, my stop loss will be minimal. So it depends on what you want. That's why you don't need to. That's why you don't need to risk your capital too much. Just make sure you reduce your lot size in case you lose, or in case the market start going up again when you enter from here, and from 50% retracements. Okay, so let's see what will happen in the market. Let's just see, project it down. So let's wait till come here, break, retest, sell from here down, or come up to this 61% retracement, and we see a confirmation also, then sell from here down, right? So we wait and let the market come to this 61% retracement, touch this area, give us confirmation from here, then we sell from there and target below. So these are the two probability in the market for sell that I know it's okay. It's more giving us peace of mind and comfort that it's gonna go away, at least 70% sure, okay, of that, because those areas are very powerful. So let's see, shall I short from here or you short from here? So let's place it here. So our stop will be here after this 61% retracement, a bit up because market can be crazy. Okay, so our first target will be here, second target below. So target below, okay, will be here. Once he has breaking this level, previous low, then market is next is coming here. So this is for gold this week. But in case, because market gold is crazy, man. There's probability that if you don't see a confirmation from here and you don't see from here, the market will start going up. Okay, the market will start going up. It will start going up. Maybe come retest this area, come and retest, touch this area, retest this 51. Once it touches this 50% retracement, the market will start going up and continue with the uptrend. So there's chances for that too. All right. So if I see such a thing that the market come break this 61 and came back up here, will take me out of this market. All right, or go above this 78% retracement, then start coming back up to touch 51 or 61% retracement, I'll position myself to buy. That's another way of making some money in the market. Okay, so if the sell does not work the way I said it, then the buy will work this way. Okay, but wait for all these things. Just make sure you wait for confirmation. If you don't see confirmation in this area, if you don't see any confirmation around here, 50% retracement before selling or 61% retracement before selling, don't enter sell. Once you don't see any confirmation, notice that there's a strong bullish 4 hours candle. You step down to 1 hour candle, notice that there's a strong bullish candle around this environment. Anytime you see a strong bullish candle breaking above, don't enter sell. Okay, but when you see the candle reducing a little and giving you more confirmation that the buyers are getting weaker, then you position yourself to sell. Put your stop loss here. Then if you don't see that, wait for the market to do whatever it wants to do, break above this 61%, even above 78, let it come to retest. Sometimes it may even go up to this area. That see if it's doing a triple top, then wait for it come back to 61% retracement. Here I will position myself to buy here. If it does that, okay, I'll position myself to buy around here, then put my stop loss here under this 51% retracement. All right, so that is it. Something like this. Excuse me. Something like this here. Why is it going up and down? So this is why something like I'm talking about, something like this here came to touch this play, retest this 61%, and I'll buy from here, put my stop loss below here. So these are the probability in the market this week. So traders, I hope you have learned one or two things, and I hope that all these things will work for us in the market. So let me quickly put it down here, touch here, then go up, start buying from there. Okay, so that is my projection for this week on gold. Okay, or right now, all finger crossed. All right, so and for those people that want to do scalping or a little bit day trading on gold, this is what I advise. So here on 1 hour, what we can do here, if you want to make some money on 1 hour or 15 minutes, wait till the market break above this area, okay, which is that 38% retracement. Once the market break above that area, excuse me a second. So when the market start breaking above that area, break above this previous high, once you see that it's break above and close above, we can enter our buy. Don't wait for retest. Sometimes go don't retest. Okay, or if you want to be conservative, if you want to be conservative, you can wait for retest. But once I see that the market, the 15 minutes candle break above and close above, I buy. Okay, or 1 hour candle close above, I buy, and I'll put my stop loss around here. Okay, so something like this, that's what I'm talking about. So this is for day trading. Okay, so here then we target here. Okay, so our stop will be here with target here. So this one will play out in the next this 1 hour chart. This is gonna play out in the next 4 hours, maybe tomorrow morning, because we're in the midnight right now. What says the time? This is 27th of October, and this is 3 minutes after 2. So let's say tomorrow morning to start playing out. Okay, so let's wait for that and see. All right, so that's about 150 1,500 pips. Okay, it's a lot. So that's for gold. All right, so let's go back to our 4 hours, which is the main week time frame the reason for this video. So this is gold analysis for this week and other pairs we have talked about. So traders, I wish us good luck, best luck this week. Hopefully our trade play out well. Then we'll see you next week. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment, so that let's grow this channel. All right, so love you all. Bye.